This is Lightheaded Vibrance and Shine. The buzzword for lightheaded is thermal protectant. Any client using a blow dryer, hot rollers, curling iron, or a flat iron will benefit from the protection of lightheaded vibrance and shine. It also achieves pliable hold and shine as a working and finishing product. I spray this product into every single client's hair that I'm working with because I'm going to be blow drying their hair or finishing it with heat in some way. This is an incredibly powerful and elegant thermal protectant. I have clients with baby fine hair who need something like sizing in their hair, and I spray this in before round brushing their hair. It is so lightweight and beautiful that I'm able to create the illusion of thickness and fullness in their baby fine hair with this product. My guy clients who need some hold without feeling like there's anything in their hair at all really benefit from this as well. I mist it through lightly and either allow it to dry naturally or blow dry it for a little more fullness. My clients who always swear that curl won't stay in their hair benefit from an application of lightheaded vibrance and shine prior to iron curling or flat ironing, because it has just a little bit of hold that keeps the curl or the smoothness in place beautifully. This is such an all-purpose tool in the styling range for USPA Supernatural.